Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take out the middle seats in your Toyota Sienna. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your 12-volt battery. This crucial step helps to power the airbag system, which is integrated into the seats. After disconnecting, wait for at least 30 minutes before proceeding. Next, remove the headrests from the seats. This makes them easier to handle and maneuver out of the vehicle. You will also need a 17mm socket and a trim removal tool. Now, let's get to accessing the seat's fasteners. Begin by sliding the middle seat as far forward as possible on its track. This provides ample room to work around the rear mounting points. Using a trim removal tool, gently pry off the plastic covers that conceal the seat's 4 mounting bolts. You'll also see the electrical connectors underneath, typically a yellow 2-pin connector for the airbag and a white 13-pin connector for the seat belt and heater. With the fasteners exposed, it's time to release the seats. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors. The yellow 2-pin is for the airbag, and the white 13-pin is for the seat belt and heater. Next, use your 17mm socket wrench to remove the 4 bolts that firmly secure each seat to the floor. Once all 4 bolts are out, you can carefully lift the seat. These seats can weigh approximately 30 pounds, so it's wise to have a second person help you lift them out of the vehicle. After successfully removing the seats, you might notice an airbag warning light on your dashboard. To prevent this, you can install 2.2 ohm resistors into the airbag connectors. Store your seats in a safe, dry location to protect them. When you're ready to reinstall, ensure the seats are properly aligned on their tracks and all 4 bolts are securely tightened. Finally, reconnect your 12-volt battery and confirm all electrical connections are firmly in place for safe operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.